Hello everyone, this is Sarthak Marathe, a fourth-year undergrad student contesting for the position of International and Alumni Relations Secretary. My vision as a secretary is to expand global opportunities to enhance domestic and international alumni accessibility by bettering student-alumni interactions and also to enhance the brand of IIT Madras by recognizing its different stakeholders. Having said that, let's look at the plan of action. Firstly, starting with the alumni involvement with students, I would like to start a higher education channel. Usually, students applying in different universities face a lot of problem in understanding what the application process are bar a few popular ones. This initiative will bridge the gap between the two. So for this, I would like to start a channel where alumni could share their knowledge and also do one-on-one mentoring for SOP checks. Alum proposed projects, an idea which came from last year's problem segment of Text of Cricket. Over there, we saw the alumni present this problem statement and it was then taken into the TechStalk competition. I would like to create a channel between the alumni and the students so that they could propose innovative student project ideas which would then be taken by TIFA, TechStalk, resale or finance. Alumni placements is an initiative to involve them in the UG as well as PG hiring process. Also, alumni which belong to the core and non-core fields like private equity, venture capital, HFT, which don't usually hire from Insti via the career awareness series. Given the low involvement of international alumni with Insti students, the Global B Modeling Challenge will be catering to this need. It will be a month-long case study competition which will end in potential collaboration opportunity with the international alumni or taking the idea forward through a business model. Ever felt that you can interact and understand from alumni so much but there are very few opportunities? Don't worry, we have an event for you. Alumni Entrepreneurship Meet will connect alumni with the institute entrepreneurs where they could network, understand the solutions to their problems and their needs. Coming to the global engagement side of things, usually students don't know about higher education opportunities in countries apart from US, UK, Germany, etc. So to cater to this need, I'll be conducting a week-long international fair where knowledge centers and as well as education wings of different embassies would come together and talk about their opportunities. I'm sure a lot of you must have tried for international internships. So on the same line, I would like to bring in foreign startup internships initiative, which will bring different pre-incubated startups from eminent universities all around the world. Insti gets a lot of foreign exchange students, but their involvement with the GSB is mainly limited to, let's say, the common sport you play or the common course you take. To aid to their integration, I'll be introducing a revamp program which will have a detailed guidebook for the inbound students, their involvement in the club weekender and the club initiation session, and also a world culture themed LitSoc event for their involvement and engagement with the hostel community. International Youth Summit, a two-day event hosted at IIT Madras where students from different developing countries would be invited to discuss socio-economic problems in their countries and propose solutions which could be probably integrated later. Coming to the corporate relations side of things, certain institutes in India who have higher profits have to give 2% of their annual income to corporate social responsibility projects. So these projects tend to be research or academic oriented at times. Involving student innovation projects which have societal importance will give them higher impact and also give them funds to better their industrial and academic collaboration. Branding is an important aspect of the INIR sphere, and what better way to start with it than a creative documentary style series. So in this series, alumni would talk about their life experiences, their past institute achievements and what they have done in life. This could be in terms of their innovation projects or also their different unconventional career paths that they have taken. The idea behind this is so that institute students know what has happened in the past and also instill pride among all the stakeholders. Aspirants usually face a problem in understanding what different IIT Madras projects as well as the student life entails. To reduce this dilemma, I plan on conducting an outreach program which will have targeted on-ground as well as online events for all the aspirants. This will solve the information asymmetry that exists between them. Pulling off these initiatives is going to be a mammoth task for sure. My 3.5 years of experiences in institute life make me capable enough of taking up this position and also execute things up to their maximum potential. That's all from my end. This has been Sarthak Marathe contesting for the position of INIR Secretary. Thank you.